Hi, Steve here. Thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels YouTube channel, where we discuss our travels, whether they be by RV, river or ocean cruising, or independent travel. This video covers our 5th major RV trip since we picked up our Panoramic RV in September 2022. Some of the highlights include the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta, I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a like if you do. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. If not, please consider subscribing and clicking the notify button so you'll know when new Panoramic Travels videos come out. Okay, this is a big day. We have known of the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta for decades, never really thinking we would be experiencing it firsthand one day. Well, today is that day. It takes place on the 365-acre Fiesta field. Every balloonist has their own section on the field to set up and launch. The attendees do not just sit on the periphery. We were able to walk all over the field and were able to watch balloonists set up their balloons.
Breaking wind.
Morning, everybody!
Good morning!
To the 51st Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. This is an international event with guests online and in person from around the world and pilots from nearly 20 countries. And 17 teams from 9 countries participating in the Bennett Panoramic. Red or green. But many New Mexicans have a different answer. What is it? That's right, Christmas.
The Fiesta began in 1972 with only 13 balloons. Now with this 51st event, there are more than 550 balloons. This is amazing. About a dozen balloons go up before dawn because they really light up against the dark sky and so that they can monitor the weather and wind conditions. number one rule of balloon etiquette is that the lower balloon has the right of way. This is because they can't see who or what is above them.
They spin and take a walk.
Those are journey bends.
Oh.
Like just spin, not actually do it right through.
Okay. Some kind of monster.
$825 going once. $850, $1,000, $1,100, $1,000, $11,000, $1050, $1,000, $1050, $1050, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, $1,000, $150, 11, 50, 10, 50 going once, 1100, 10, 50, 11, 11, 10, 50, 11, 10, 50, 11, 11, 10, 50, 11, 10, 50, 11, 10, 11, 50, 11, 11, 50, 11, 50, thank you very much, I appreciate your bid. 11 now, 11, 50, 11, 11, 50, 11 go 11, 50, give him a round of applause, give him a round of applause. So, give me $100 bid. 100 to 1, 1, 1, 1, and where? 160, sold to you $150. Give her a round of applause.
And good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and to our viewers around the world on Balloon Fiesta Live here at the 51st Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, powered by ExxonMobil. It's Gordon Bennett night, and the excitement is building already as the balloons are on site inflating. Looks like we're all go for the 66 Gordon Bennett.
We're going to inflate our hot air balloons here, and we're going to do our Twilight Twinkle Club, okay? And so we'll do all birds and flicker birds or twinkle birds, and we're just going to coordinate that and have a whole lot of fun with lighting up the field with all of our hot air balloons.
All birds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All birds.
This is the 66th annual Gordon Bennett race. The race is a long-distance gas balloon championship and is the oldest event in aviation. It's a story full of adventure, skill, courage, survival, and luck. The goal is simple: to fly the furthest non-stop distance from the launch site. The international competition was initiated by adventurer and newspaper tycoon James Gordon Bennett Jr. in 1906, when 16 balloons launched from Paris, France. 17 hydrogen-filled balloons competed this year. Since it takes me a while to edit this video, I can share with you that this year the winning team was from France. The balloon went a distance of 1,653 miles and landed in Jacksonville, North Carolina. The flight took 3 days, 13 hours, and 45 minutes. I can also share with you that 2 balloon pilots representing Poland are recovering from burns and broken bones after their balloon hit a high-voltage power line and exploded during their descent in Texas. Next year, the race will launch in Munster, Germany.